All right, guys, we're on a 2019 Ram 1500. This is a 5.7 liter Bighorn. We're going to go over how to reset the oil maintenance reminder. It's very simple for a lot of Dodge and Rams and Jeeps. Very, very simple. First step you're going to want to do, get it to the on position. So this one is a push button. So for Dodge, it's just going to be two presses of the button. 1, 2. You'll hear the chime and the gauges will go up. And, you know, maybe your radio or start or the fans will go. But that's how you know you're in the on position. You're going to be using these 4 directional buttons and this OK. So if you start on this screen, you're going to want to press up or down. Doesn't really matter. I press down, and you'll typically start here at the speedometer. So what you'll do is you'll continue to press down until you get to vehicle info. So there you go, 1 click. And you can see it says hold OK to reset oil life. OK is pretty self-explanatory. So hold the button in, and there you go. You're at 100%. That is how you reset it on a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Bighorn. If you have any questions or issues, comment them down below. I'll be happy to help you out. I've had a few different videos for Dodge Rams and multiple makes and models, so go ahead and try that out.